Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita. Let's make Ashguard Stew today. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. Take a medium ashguard, remove skin, remove seeds and chop it into tiny pieces. And transfer chopped ashguard into your cooking vessel. To the same add chopped onions, finely chopped garlic and ginger. Also add sliced green chilli, cloves, pepper, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Add about 2 cups of water in the beginning. Add salt and turmeric powder and mix everything together. Turn on the flame and let the flame be between low and medium. Cook it covered for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, all our ingredients are almost cooked. Now add both thick and thin coconut milk. Give it a final stir and bring everything to boil. It will simmer within 2 to 3 minutes. Check salt and turn off the flame. Now let's get into the final part, tempering. Preheat your tempering pan. Add oil and when it heats up, add mustard seeds. Let them splutter and finally add washed and cleaned curry leaves. Transfer the seasoning into your stew and your Ashguard stew is ready. Enjoy the steaming delicious stew with boiled rice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share it on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.